Hi, have you nothing to do this holidays? Well, you may want to get started on this mensuration assignment that we have asked you to do complete during the holidays. So to commence, if you haven't already got the booklet, then you'll need to download it from this file here, and it's a PDF file. Get a print off of it, and you'll find all the necessary pages. As you did not get the hard copy whilst at school, you'll need to, as I say, print it off and include extra loose leaf papers. So what we want you to do is complete a set of exercises as shown down below here. We have about 20 odd questions for you to do. They involve mensuration, which is all about measurement. That's length, area, and volume. So for each example or exercise that you do, we ask you to do basically three things. Draw a simple diagram, choose your correct formula and substitute the values, and then make sure you calculate your answers, and don't forget to include those correct units: meters, meters squared, and meters cubed, or other options. As for those formulas we spoke about, well, they're listed in the booklet in briefly. So for instance, here are all the standard formulas for length. And you'll find the other ones for surface area, a little bit embedded in the pages. It's around about 205 page 205, I should say. And yeah, it's a case of having a go. The answers are at the back of the booklet, so make sure you correct your own work. And if you can find your mistakes, certainly correct them. Now, expectation is that you'll submit it first week back. Now, when that is, who knows? But if it should be the first week back, that's fantastic. Try and get that into your teacher. And the assessment will be based on satisfactory or not satisfactory. So have a good holiday. As I say, you only need to set a few hours aside to do this task.